If you're wondering where to start with planning your implementation of MEF LSO APIs, then take a look at this short video which explains how the MEF LSO API onboarding and interop test service can help you kickstart your journey. Hello, I'm Dominik Pacewicz, Product Marketing Manager at Amartus. The information I'm about to provide can help you streamline and accelerate your MEF standards implementation using advanced software emulator hosted in the cloud called MEF OIT service. It can be used to quickly familiarize with the standards, test as you implement, test with partners, and carry out all ongoing regression testing. This saves you from diving into extensive standards documentation and developing your own frameworks, minimizing errors and rework. We offer clear guidance and support. MEF OIT uses proven techniques, patterns, and advanced capabilities that are familiar to developers and testers. I'll explain to you how MEF OIT can reduce your implementation and testing time and cost and help you successfully implement and maintain your MEF LSO APIs. Providers have struggled with implementing MEF LSO standards due to the fact the standards documentation is complex and open to misinterpretation. To address these challenges, MEF, in collaboration with Amartus and leading service providers, has introduced the MEF OIT testing service. It offers benefits throughout the entire implementation lifecycle. With MEF OIT, organizations gain immediate access to buyer and seller emulators that facilitate the familiarization and design stages. The service caters specifically to developers and designers, providing practical examples and standard-compliant reference implementations. It enables development teams to quickly grasp the standards functionalities through hands-on experience within days. During API development, you can instantly test your implementations API by API using working MEF LSO emulators, receiving valuable feedback and ensuring compliance with the standard at each stage. When it comes to testing your MEF LSO implementation, there is no need to develop an in-house test framework, which can be time-consuming and error-prone. You can just use the MEF OIT service, which already provides you with the test suites and emulations you need. When implementing MEF LSO, organizations typically have specific partners in mind. With MEF OIT, you can create and share emulations with partners and import their configurations for self-evaluation. This approach eliminates the time-consuming iterations of inter-partner testing and ensures compatibility between partner configurations and the standard prior to going into production. Of course, that's not the end of the journey. You need to make sure you can maintain the interface for your customers and evolve them over time. Once you finish the initial implementation, there will always be new upgrades, adding new product support, adding new partners, and adapting to changes in your BSS/OSS systems. MEF OIT will continue to serve as a testing framework to ensure continuous compliance with the standard and interoperability with your customers. To fully leverage the wide-ranging benefits offered by MEF OIT, it is essential to incorporate the service into your implementation plans early on. By doing so, you will save time, effort, and cost and be able to expedite your market entry with a reliable and successful implementation of MEF LSO standards. Thank you, and best of luck on your journey!